Scheduling a Bill.com data sync is an essential task to ensure your financial data remains up to date and accurate. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, providing key concepts, practical examples, and best practices. First, it is crucial to understand what Bill.com is and its purpose. Bill.com is a cloud-based financial management platform that helps businesses manage their accounts payable and accounts receivable. The data sync feature allows you to automatically sync your financial data with your accounting software, such as QuickBooks or Xero. To schedule a Bill.com data sync, you need to have a Bill.com account and be connected to your accounting software. Start by logging into your Bill.com account and navigating to the Settings menu. From there, select the Sync Settings option and choose your accounting software from the list of available options. Next, you will need to configure the sync settings to determine how often you want your data to sync. You can choose to sync your data manually, or set up an automatic sync schedule. The automatic sync schedule allows you to choose the frequency of the sync, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. It is essential to note that the sync process can take several minutes to complete, depending on the amount of data being synced. Therefore, it is recommended to schedule the sync during off-peak hours to avoid interrupting your workflow. In addition to scheduling the sync, you can also set up notifications to alert you when the sync is complete or if any errors occur during the process. This ensures that you are informed of any issues and can take corrective action promptly. Best practices for scheduling a Bill.com data sync include regularly reviewing your sync settings to ensure they are up to date and accurate. You should also monitor your sync history to identify any trends or issues that may require attention. In conclusion, scheduling a Bill.com data sync is a straightforward process that helps ensure your financial data remains accurate and up to date. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and adhering to best practices, you can optimize your financial management workflow and make informed business decisions.